If you're wondering why I'm in the back of my van, it's because this side door won't open. Come on. So it's a 2014 Volkswagen Transporter. This is my workhorse, so very important that I can actually get into it. I need this door working. Now, this is not a how-to video because I don't know what the problem is yet, but I'm assuming if I take that panel off, I might be able to find something that will show me why it's not unlocking. So bear with me. By the end of this video, I should know what the problem is and should have it repaired. Right, I think these just pop out with a bit of luck. Yes, so that's what they are. Pop that front piece out and it releases. So let's get all them out. Right, everything seems to be connected in there, but this mechanism in here seems to be very stiff, so I'm gonna give that a little spray up. Some silicone grease. Now the runner is a bit grindy as well. I should probably clean that out. Just giving this a little clean out. This isn't the issue, but because it's a bit stiff and grindy. Right, let's give that a little spray in there. That's what I'm using for it. Bit of silicone lube. Can't really get to anything in there to grease or lube anything up. But like I say, everything's connected. It's this cable. So there's a little adjuster which is as tight as it will go. It's all connected. So let's see if that's working now. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. So now we know that's working. Let's get the old door card back on. I have got some different clips and bits and pieces. Bang the grey ones in first because we know they work. Right, that's all the grey ones. Now let's, in my little boxes of joy, let's see if I can find something that fits. I don't like the red ones because they're a bit permanent and snappy. I don't know what else I've got that's going to work really. I'm going for these black ones. Push the little pin through the centre. They weren't great when I tried to take the other ones out, but they hold it nice and solid. That's for sure. Right, they're all in. Door opens, door closes. Right, job done. That's all opening and closing as it should. The slider's working a lot better, so I'm happy with that. Like I say, it's not a how-to video. But this is how I repaired my one. How long that will last, I have no idea. But yeah, all good. Job's a good one. Now that this boring old stuff's out of the way, let's get back on with that. The old caddy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.